And now at 6, a potential tornado outbreak across southeast Texas. Tonight, we are seeing images from Wharton County to Liberty County, even along the Grand Parkway, of what looks to be tornadoes ripping through town. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I'm Rekha Muttaraj.
And I'm Trayson Bragg. Tonight, we're hearing reports of downed power lines, damaged homes, and hundreds of flight delays at Houston's 2 major airports.
We have team coverage tonight. We're going to go straight to Chief Meteorologist David Paul on the active storms in our area. Dave.
Well, and things are beginning to settle down in most places, except, again, Chambers and Liberty County. And Liberty County was the hardest hit with most of the tornado warnings in Liberty County as we went into the afternoon. Now, the only active warning, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for the eastern and southern half of Liberty County. Also includes Chambers County, I-10 north up to FM 563, then up to Devers. Blinding rain, tremendous amount of lightning with that severe thunderstorm. More heavy rain. This is Baytown. There's Highway 146 down through Baytown. There's 99. LaPorte just getting pounded with heavy rain. This is not severe technically, but it's rain heavy enough to cause reduced visibility and high water spots on roadways. That's pushing toward the north side of Galveston Bay. Zooming out, still have a few lingering showers northern Harris County up toward Lake Houston and Atascocita, who earlier had a tornado and video go across Lake Houston, and some reports there from our trained spotters. Looking at scattered showers now moving into Brazoria County, Alvin getting wet. This is not severe, but it's going to get you wet across the west side of the bay as that moves in your direction. And then this southern branch of the line near Angleton and Brazosport is weakening, but still I expect some showers to move toward the coast. There are the reports. Look at them all lined up. It looks like one storm dropped a tornado off and on as it went into eastern Harris and Liberty County. Had a tornado spotted here just down the road from Wharton, and then reports of tornado damage right here. This is just between El Campo and the Pierce Ranch, and our Matt Doherty is here in Wharton County, where it appears they had some pretty good damage tonight. Good evening, Matt. What are you seeing in Wharton County?
Hi, David. Yeah, the Wharton County Sheriff is telling me that this is the damage from one of 3 tornadoes that touched down here earlier this afternoon. I know it's dark. It's going to be hard to see, but I'll see if photojournalist Ryan Phillips can get a closer look so you can see what happened to this barn when that tornado blew through here. It basically blew it up. You can see the sheet metal just scattered all around this farmland, and you can see some of these wooden rafters from the roof. It just totally splintered, and it appears that the tornado may have moved up further. You can see those cars behind in the background. That's 59 if you're familiar with the area. So further north up to another barn up that way that had its roof blown off of it. There's a white roof over there, so it appears that that was the path of this tornado here. Again, one of 3 tornadoes that the Wharton County Sheriff is telling us touched down here in Wharton County earlier today. There have been no reports of any injuries, and we're still trying to find out where some of those other spots of damage may be. David?
Yeah, Matt, first of all, that is very interesting and excellent reporting. We can follow along. It looks like you had damage right where you're standing, and then further up the road, so to speak, more damage from that same tornado. We are efforting to see if we can get video of that. We may be able to have that later. But Matt, it looks like that tornado stayed just to the south side of Highway 59. And I'm curious, are you on the south side of 59? Is that where the damage is?
That's exactly right. That's exactly where we are. And if anybody was passing through, I would imagine it was pretty stormy at that time, but they probably would have seen it as it was passing through.
Yeah, that's the piece of video that we're working on. Matt, thank you so much for driving down there and confirming what we're seeing in many spots across southeast Texas. We had a lot of tornado activity across the area. Again, things are settling down. We're going to be quiet overnight. We do have an updated and cooler forecast going into New Year's Eve and New Year's Day.